We are Klean Leaf, a manufacturer of laundry detergent sheets. We specialize in laundry detergent sheets, an eco-friendly alternative to traditional detergents. Our sheets are not only gentle on the planet, but also pack a powerful cleaning punch, ensuring your laundry is impeccably clean and fresh. Understanding the unique needs of our customers, Klean Leaf offers unparalleled customization options. From fragrances and ingredients to packaging, we tailor everything to match your exact requirements. Dreaming of launching your own brand of eco-friendly laundry products? Our private label services are designed to turn your vision into reality, providing end-to-end support to launch products that reflect your brand's ethos and values. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. Each product undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure flawless results. Our commitment to excellence means you can trust Klean Leaf products to meet the highest standards of effectiveness and environmental responsibility. Curious to experience the difference? Klean Leaf offers free samples for you to try before you buy. And when you're ready, we provide efficient shipping to get our products to your doorstep no matter where you are. Behind Klean Leaf is a dedicated sales team based in Columbus, Ohio, eager to assist you. With a passion for excellence and a commitment to customer satisfaction, our team is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring your needs are met with the highest level of care and professionalism. At Klean Leaf, we believe in a cleaner world and a greener tomorrow. Join us on this journey. Together, we can make a difference, one laundry sheet at a time.